You just like to dig. Oh, get in there and dig, Bo. Get in there. Dig away, buddy. What's in there? Is that your tennis ball? Bo? Keep the dirt in here, Bo. That's why we got it. It's to fill in. Yep. Oh, you think that's your tennis ball, huh? Oh, Finn thinks he wants it too. Oh, you're gonna eat the dirt? Okay. I've heard of that before. People eat weird stuff. Is that candy, Bo? Don't eat the dirt, Bo. Bo, there's all kinds of bucky stuff in dirt. It's dirt. Bobo. Okay, we're gonna go out of the dirt if you guys keep eating dirt. Okay, another bad habit. Come on. Now they're fighting over the dirt. Hey guys, big pile over here. No need to fight. You just want it because Bo wanted it. Are you gonna eat dirt too? Yeah? I swear I feed him. I swear.